Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In this video, you will see the conversation between doctor and patient. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Good evening.
Good evening. I had an appointment with the doctor.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Angel.
Okay, please take a seat.
Thank you.
Come in. Doctor is waiting for you.
Excuse me. Yes, please. Have a seat. What brings you here? I have come for regular eye checkup. Okay, I will show you numbers on my finger. And you have to identify. Okay. Close your right eye and tell me. 1, 4. Now close your left eye. 2, 3. Okay, everything is fine. Your vision is clear. Thanks. How much shall I pay?
Your consultation fee is 200 rupees. Thank you.
Welcome.
So friends, hope you learned how to describe your illness. See you soon in my next video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.